Welcome back, developers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a multilingual API using FastAPI. Imagine an API that greets your users in their own language: English, Spanish, Arabic, Chinese, and more. That's exactly what we'll be creating. First, we'll set up a FastAPI project. Then, we'll create a JSON file that contains translations for different languages. This makes it super easy to manage phrases and add new languages later. Our API will check for a language parameter. For example, lang equals n or lang equals AR, and then return the right message from the JSON file. If the language isn't available, it will fall back to English by default. This is great for building multilingual apps, websites, or chatbots, where you want users to feel at home in their own language. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully working multilingual API with FastAPI. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you want me to cover auto translation or integration with services like Google Translate.